5% of respondents are unsure about their regular meal intake. Meal skipping can result in nutrient shortages, and irregular eating might cause digestive issues.
Around 1.33% of people never eat breakfast and 15.1% do so occasionally. It has been demonstrated by science that missing breakfast causes low energy, makes it harder to focus, and may even cause overeating in the later half of the day.
Having fruits and some dried fruits have high dietary fiber content, which supports healthy digestion and aids in weight management. Approximately 8.85% of individuals consume less than 1 liter of water. Staying adequately hydrated offers numerous benefits, including improved cognitive function and enhanced overall well-being. Excessive water consumption can lead to hyponatremia.
The general recommendation is 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day or 0.8 grams. Around 0.85% never eat dishes high in protein. A diet rich in protein promotes the health of muscles, the immune system, and the synthesis of hormones.
Approximately 8.28% of individuals incorporate a daily supplement into their routine. Supplements can play a vital role in addressing nutritional gaps and supporting overall health. However, it's essential to use them judiciously.
At least one caffeine-containing beverage is consumed daily by 5.01% of the population. Study has shown that consuming large amounts of caffeinated beverages might cause anxiety, jitters, and sleep disturbances.
A mere 4.04% of individuals partake in outside meals daily, while a substantial 25.32% opt for a weekly indulgence. Excessive consumption of outside food can engender deleterious effects on one's health, including heightened risks of obesity.
Engaging in physical activity daily is embraced by a substantial 57.18% of respondents. The significance of regular physical exercise transcends mere fitness. It fortifies cardiovascular health and fosters mental well-being.
A noteworthy 68.77% of individuals prioritize daily fruit consumption. The importance of regular fruit consumption extends beyond its delectable taste, as fruits are rich in essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, contributing to overall health. Approximately 34.87% of individuals indulge in snacking between meals daily. Frequent snacking between meals may lead to unintended consequences such as overconsumption of calories, potential weight gain, and disruptions in metabolic patterns.
We propose a diet model for fostering a healthy lifestyle and disease-free life. Our model proposes daily intake of required quantity of water, inclusion of organic food items, exclusion of fat-based food, and timely managing the food intervals.